In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build a Stripe checkout page and share the payment link online. First, open the product catalog in your Stripe dashboard and select the product you want to sell. This way, you can choose exactly which item to link to your checkout page. Next, go to Payment Links and select the Payment Link option from the Quick Create menu. This starts the setup for a new checkout experience. Now click the Product Search field to add a product. Then select your priced item from the drop-down so it appears on the checkout page. Configure additional checkout options, like collecting customer and business names, enabling address collection, and switching to collect shipping as well as billing addresses. You can limit the number of payments, allow promo codes, and add custom fields. Enable options for tax IDs and for saving payment details for future use. Adjust the call to action text if needed. For example, you can change the button from Pay to Book to better fit your business. Optionally, add a custom confirmation message and enable invoice PDF generation for your customers after each payment. This makes your checkout more professional and complete. When you're ready, click Create Link to generate your checkout. Copy the payment link to share or embed on your site. Finally, open a new browser tab and paste your payment link to preview a live checkout test page. You've just created and tested your own Stripe checkout page.